Rajput, welcome to my YouTube channel, that is Gyan Saga JS. So today we will discuss India and the world. So yesterday class we discussed India location, size, means, degrees, and today we will discuss what India play important role in the world economy, socially, culturally. So before that, yesterday I asked you some questions regarding that. I want to answer you for that question. So first I missed one question answer, that westernmost part of India is Gormoti. So Gormoti is a westernmost part of the India which is located in Kutch district of Gujarat, and this maritime passes through Indian Standard Time is passes through UP, Uttar Pradesh, MP, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, and Andhra Pradesh. So these are five states from where this Indian Standard Time passes through. Now we come to India and the world. So India is play very important role and in Indian Ocean. So if you want to go, if you want to travel Europe to China, Japan, so in you have, if you want to go through sea route, so you have to go, yeah, you have to pass through Indian Ocean. So India also southernmost part of Asia continent. So it will play a very important role. Then India is the only country which name is after the country, means Indian Oceans is the only ocean which name is came from after the India. No other country or no other sea are named after any countries. So like Arabian Sea, Pacific Sea, they are not country name. So only Indian Ocean is named after India. So yesterday we studied means distance. If you see the distance between west to east, you will find that 2933 kilometers is total distance. If you see distance from north to south, you will find that 3214 kilometers from north to south point. And in ancient time we use mostly land route for traveling one place to another place. When we travel one place to another place, we will find that we will share social, economical, and cultural activities to each other community countries. So social, economic, culture we will change when we travel one place to another place. But in medievals we discover many sea routes, and from sea routes we travel whole world. So India contact with the world have continued through the ages, but her relations through the land route are much older than maritime sea. So maritime contacts means land, means sea route. Sea route is new to us, but the land route is very old and ancient. From ancient time we are using sea, means land route. So another is uh, SARC or BIMSTEC. Some organizations, we now we come to first after this we will discuss India neighbor. First we will discuss the styles of India, means what we culturally, constructively, architect, what we took from other country. So if we see many of India architectural style, especially dome and minarets, we took from West Asia. So I will show you that toppermost of the this Gol Gumbaz is called dome. So this is the biggest dome in our country, which is located in my place, means Vijaypura, which is located in Karnataka. So this called, we took this dome from Western country, and also you can see the dome in Taj Mahal. So this architecture style we took and learned from West Asia. So this is the example of what we means culturally and exchange, means social, economical, culturally we exchange idea from one country to another country. So now we come to India neighbor. So this textbook is old version. So today India has 28 state, no doubt, and we have 8 union territory. In last class I told you 8 union territories names, and you can see its neighbor. Its neighbor is Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, and Myanmar, Bangladesh, and Sri Lanka. These are our neighbors. And we form many small groups like SAARC, which full form is South Asia Association Regional Cooperation, which includes countries like Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Nepal, Maldives, Pakistan, and Sri Lanka, which cover, which discuss, or which share, which participate economically benefit of each other country. And similarly we have BIMSTEC group, which full form is Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral Technical and Economical Cooperation. In this, whatever the country near or neighbor of Bay of Bengal, this country included, which includes Bangladesh, Bhutan, Nepal, India, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, and Thailand. So this group form and participate and benefit to each other. So after that, if we see many, what we call Sri Lanka separated from India as a narrow channel sea, which called Palk Strait. So Palk Strait is the point where India and Sri Lanka separated. Like this, Gulf of Mannar, while Maldives Islands are situated in the south of the Lakshadweep Islands. So south of the Lakshadweep Island is separate the Maldives. And one more point I would you like to tell you, in Gujarat, India and Pakistan is one disputed area called Sir Creek. Sir Creek is a disputed area in Run of Kutch, which separate India and Pakistan. So India is called power of the world. So India play very important role if you see geographically. So here in world map you can see one country, one continent, which connected Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, and Equator. The three lines which connected, which connect the continent. So here you can see that Africa is the only continent which passes through Tropic of Cancer, Equator, and Tropic of Capricorn. So this is the only country. So remember this, Africa is the only continent who passes through three: Tropic of Cancer, Equator, and Tropic of Capricorn. So after this we end this chapter. I hope you like this video. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment sections, and I will provide you notes, question and answers after this video. So I already take multiple choice question. You can write it down and make notes on it. If you see the question and answers is very easy. If you ask the sun rises, I come to question number 3. If the sun rises 2 hour earlier in Arunachal as compared to Gujarat in the west, but we watch our watches show the same time, so why? So I already told you that India and India is divided into 68 degree to 97 degree. So we took mean time. So average time we took, and we add this 97 and 68 and divided by 2. So we get 82.30. So we combine and implement to all our country, all state, that we have to follow this only time. So this is the reason we are following this. So in Arunachal Pradesh, when it will 4 o'clock sunrise, that same sunrise, if you see that in Gujarat, it will be at 6 o'clock. So there is 2 hour of gap between the state for Indian Standard Time. If you see GMT, Greenwich Mean Time, there is 2 hour of gap. So Russia have many GMT, means Greenwich many times. Russia is the only country which is very huge, and it's had, if you can see in this Russia, in Russia have multiple times, they have different time in different region and in different degrees. So I will provide you question and answer, so don't worry and don't worry about that. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.